Hey guys, for this video, we're going to check out the new HG Carbon Brake Stay 1.5mm. Now, it's compared to the regular FRP. Let's wait in and then let's see what it looks like when it's already mounted on your car. Let's go. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's get this one. Now, fresh from the pack, you can already see the clean carbon finish, a classic HG quality. Now, this is a 1.5mm HG brake plate, and the edges is nicely machined and no rough cuts. Now, if you will compare these to the regular FRP, now this one looks more premium. The carbon pattern alone already gives that race-ready feel. Now let's talk about weight. Let's weigh in the carbon brake stay and the FRP. So starting with the carbon, it's 2.7 grams, and the FRP, it's 4.0. Now carbon really is lighter than the FRP plate. Now this part is important, the screw hole alignment. Let's compare the HG carbon plate versus the FRP. So let's put it like this. Now since the HG plate is shorter than the FRP, let's disregard this area, okay? Now if you will check this out, they have the same screw hole placement. This same, this one same, okay? The only thing that's new on this plate is this part. Let me put some screws so you can see. There you have it. Then the rest, they have the same screw hole placement. Now this is what it looks like when it's mounted on the rear section of your chassis. And I'm using ME right now, and this is what it looks like if you also install the anti-sabit. Okay, now let's try mounting our rollers. There you go. See? Very nice. Next, let's see what it looks like when we mount the brake plate to the front section. Now here's what it looks like when mounted on the front section of the chassis. This is a top view, okay, and let's check out the bottom. It's very nice. Now I tried moving the plate closer to the center of the chassis, but the problem is the edge of the plate keeps on hitting the tires. So I would suggest that this will be the best setup that you will, if you're going to use the ME chassis. So the second hole first and then second. That's it. And you can put your plates on top and your dampers. The cost of the brake plate is 498 pesos, and you can buy them at Tamiya Underground, which is located at 2nd floor, Wilcon Center, Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. And that's it for our video. I hope you like it. And if you're into mini four-wheel drive tuning, BMAX build, and honest reviews, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, see ya!